Sage is a global market leader for technology that helps businesses of all sizes manage everything from money to people. Our mission is to free business builders from the burden of admin so they can spend more time doing what they love. Sage has taken major steps with our cloud-connected solutions, the Sage 50 Cloud and 200 Cloud franchises, by utilizing Office 365 as our applications platform and Azure is the underlying infrastructure.
Our partnership with Microsoft is very unique. It has a foundation which is built on people relationships, which are very important. We have trust with our Microsoft counterparts. It's very difficult to build a partnership without that.
The multiple integration points of Sage 50 Cloud and Office 365 create rich joint value propositions. It's a unique solution that's been a game changer for Sage, our customers, and our partners.
I have owned Small Cakes for just over a year now. I was looking for a solution for our back office processes, and we found Sage. The partnership that we feel we have with Sage is great. What I enjoy most about working with them is they just seem to really understand the needs and demands on a small business owner. There are a lot of benefits that we've achieved from using Sage and Microsoft products. It gives us back time that we didn't have before. And I think that having Microsoft and Sage are integral to our future success.
Without the technology for Office 365 and Azure, it's just a vision. Working with Microsoft makes that vision come alive, and we can make it pop in the field.